Endless functions. With 1800 watts of power you are able to dual cook, sandwich speed convection, pizza, bake, broil, toast, waffle, bagel, leftover, keep warm including several other options. Capacity, fits 13-inch pizza, 9-inch by 13-inch baking pan and 9 slices of bread. 95 cubic feet inside oven toaster. Must-have features. This digital convection toaster oven has large blue blacklist display with door sensor to activate oven and non-stick interior for easy cleanup. The exact heat sensor maintains precise oven temperature, always even toast shade control and a convenient auto slide rack for convenience. Included, this beautiful brushed stainless steel unit comes with a 13-inch pizza stone, 2 cooking racks, 9-inch by 13-inch enamel baking pan and broiling pan. Also includes interior light, clock and 2-hour timer with front pull-out crumb tray and recipe book. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Cuisinart Chef's convection oven boasts 15 cooking functions and offers special settings for speed convection, sandwiches and bagels. Heating power of 1800 watts provides quick heat up time, precise temperature and perfect results every time. The easy clean non-stick interior is so roomy it can hold a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread, a 9 by 13 baking pan or an entire 9-pound chicken. Easiest way to make a real home-cooked meal, every day. Top reviews from the United States. Lives up to its #1 review on Wirecutter. A great appliance. I am thrilled with this oven. It looks good, and, even better, it comes with a pizza stone and a nice enameled bake/broiler pan, 2-piece. I baked a cobbler, baked a pizza on the stone, made rolls, cooked frozen, breaded, fish fillets, chicken nuggets, broccoli casserole, made toast, toasted bagels and English muffins, made toasted sandwiches and all have turned out perfectly. The thermostat is accurate, the timer is accurate and the modes bake, broil, convection, 2 levels, adjustment for cooking refrigerated or frozen foods. Just amazing and with a 3-year warranty. This does not have an official setting for air frying, but the convection oven high-speed air fries better than my standalone air fryer. I wish they had included a wire basket and crumb catcher and an actual setting for air frying, but it works great and you can read all about how to use it on Wirecutter. Oh yeah, it also fits regular size quarter sheet pans and 9 by 11 casseroles and up to a 12-inch pizza which cooks perfectly fresh or frozen. It also dehydrates, reheats, warms, etc., etc. Love this thing. You killed it. Cuisinart. Designed and sourced in USA. Assembled in China.